Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Skills Academy. In this video I'm gonna be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to design this block using Solidworks. Afterwards we are going to make a 2D drawing from this part using also Solidworks 2024 program. In order to do that, you go to File, New Part. Okay, so you have this window popped up or open. This is your designing mode window. So before you do anything, make sure that you change the unit of measurement into millimeters. So you come down here, have millimeters, grams and second. Make sure you check it out. Once set, then this part here, it's about the plane that you'd want to use. There is a front plane, top plane, right plane, and this symbol is for the origin. So in our case we're gonna be using a front plane, so select front plane, sketch. On our drawing, this will be our front plane. This part here will be our front plane, then this will be our right plane, and the top to be our top plane or our top view. So as I said, our sketch will be done in front plane. Now for go to line, let's draw a sketch from the origin. Then go to smart dimension. My height is 60 millimeters, width 30 millimeters. You can check from the drawing here, and this height or length, it's 15 millimeters, and also this is 15 millimeters as well. Great, fully defined. Then close dialog, go to features, extrude it to the distance of 40 millimeters. Extruded for space, depth 40 millimeters. See, my block is done. So now when looking at it from the right view, I have this groove here. So in order to do that, select this face, sketch, select or choose corner rectangle, draw a corner rectangle here, close dialog, then smart dimension. The depth of our cutout groove is 28 millimeters. Enter. Well, I don't need this, just delete it. Then dimension from this edge to this edge, I have 15 millimeters actually. See that measurement, 15 millimeters. Okay, and also from this side to this edge, it's also 15 millimeters. Okay, see, our sketch is fully defined. Close dialog and features, then go to extruded cut because we need this cutout here. So have that from sketch plane. Okay, then direction 1 through all. It don't do anything, just close the dialog here. Boom, done. See, our block is ready, our 3D part is ready. So you can save it to your respected file. I'm gonna save it as part 5. You can name it whatsoever. Okay, let me just name it number 1 actually, give it a name 1. Okay, my part is saved. So now in order to make a 2D drawing from this 3D part, you go to file again, and then make drawing from part, select it. Just wait a little bit. Okay, very good. So in this part, in this our drawing, I'm gonna use just the 3 views: the front view, top view and also the right view, and additionally the isometric view. Okay, so drag and drop your front view here. My top view, and this is my right view with my isometric view. Okay, I can drag my isometric view here. Okay, you see, so we have the top view, front view, and the right view. So in order to make dimensions, you go to annotation, then smart dimension, height 60, you have this width 30, you have this length 15, that length also 15. Then this is our top view. On our top view, we're just gonna use the depth, which is 40 millimeters. It's the depth. You can also put that, it's okay. And then we come to our right plane, 15, this is 15, 15, you can see from there, 15, 15, and what else do we need here? Depth as well, 28. Well, okay, you can put the depth here if you want, 40 millimeters. Right, and this is symmetrical, our groove is symmetrical, so go to center line, select this edge and this edge, it's symmetrical. What else? Okay, so next you can name it. In order to give them a name, you can select this view, then we have got arrow here. See, I can give it actually A, this view A. Okay, then this would be my right plane, it's arrow, check that box, then it's B, yeah, my B view. Let's drag it down here. Okay, so yes, I prefer putting it on top, and this one also I'll put it on top here. Good, so I can say this is view A, and then you can name it as top view A. Top view A. And this will be my right view. Okay, you can also name this as so good to note, you can name it as my front view. Front view. Okay, so we have the top view, front view, and you have your right view. Then this is isometric view, you can also name it. Isometric. Isometric view. Change color. This is red. That's for me. Okay, see. Then these origins, in order to hide the origins, you come here and uncheck. Okay, you see, we have our model done. You can change it to that. Then you can increase the scale. I use drag this a little bit down here to 1. So guys, we are done making a 2D model from this our 3D part. So your drawing is ready. Then you can save it to your respected file. I use mine is one. Let's save. Okay. So guys, if you found this video interesting, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next tutorial.